To fix an HP docking station DisplayPort that is not working, several steps can be taken. The issue may be caused by outdated firmware, minor glitches, or physical connection problems. Updating the firmware is the first recommended solution. This can be done by visiting the manufacturer's website to check for available updates, downloading the update if one is found, and following the installation guidelines. If updating the firmware does not resolve the issue, the next step is to power cycle the docking station. This involves disconnecting it from both the electrical outlet and the laptop, waiting a few minutes to allow any residual power to drain, and then reconnecting it. If the problem persists, checking the physical connections is the next course of action. This includes verifying that all cables are securely connected to the docking station, laptop, and monitor, and possibly trying alternative cables, such as a different DisplayPort cable, to rule out any issues with the current one. By following these steps, it should be possible to resolve the issue with the HP docking station DisplayPort.